going to show you how to put together your Brunny Hardcore blocks.
First thing you're going to do is take everything off your plates. It's the nut, cushions, the trucks here, all of that is going to come off. We're going to start with naked kingpins and just your plate. First, we're going to build the Brunny block. So here's the block, this is the hanger, and this is going to go with the angled side up on top. Has 2 holes. We're going to flip it over after we place the hanger on top, and you'll see there's 2 holes on the bottom. You've got these 2 screws. You're going to take the screw and put it through, place both screws in, and then flip it over. Make sure that the screws go through the holes on the hanger. Now you're going to take these tiny little nuts and thread them on top of the screws here. The package does come with this little tool to tighten it down if you want to use this. Make sure it's nice and tight on there. You don't want it loose at all. And I'm pressing my finger through the bottom here to make sure the screw is pushed all the way up as I'm tightening this down. And you want to go until basically the screw is not moving. It's completely secure. That's really secure. Now that we have built the blocks, I'm going to show you how you can assemble them onto your skate.